I've been keeping my eye patches in the fridge and it is so nice. I was out drinking on Saturday and I was very drunk, so I booked myself an 8 AM hot Pilates class. Got like an event tonight, and yeah, I'm just doing that to really like depuff whenever I go do hot Pilates. I sweat like crazy and I feel like it just detoxes anything that happened on the weekend. Heading to hot Pilates. It's bright and early. It's 8 AM. To be honest, Justin and I wake up so early, really 6 I would say, even on the weekends, 6, maybe like 6:45 on the weekends, but we both just naturally wake up so early, and I usually don't work out until like 10ish, but I just have a lot on today that I was like, I'm just gonna go and do this workout really early and just get it done. And I feel like now that I'm out and just doing it, it feels really nice, and then it's like out the way, so I'm looking forward to it. And I just feel kind of gross. I think this workout's going to be really hard. Died a little death in there. Holy hell. That was brutal. Keep this Tower 28 spray in my car so I can just get rid of those germs. Also, remember I got my nails done like 4 days ago? Tell me why 2 of them have broken. I'm like, do I just run now and see if they can fix them? But it's kind of far. This is why getting a good nail salon is really important, because I don't have time to keep going back. But anyway, I'm gonna figure it out. I can't actually remember the last time I had makeup on in the vlog. Who is she? Okay, I'm ready. Let me show you guys the look. Wearing Frankie's OBS. This is Frankie's Victoria's Secret pink. I've kind of just folded the skirt to make it extra mini with the bandeau. I'm gonna go meet Freya and head to the event. For the vlog. For the vlog. For the vlog. Lolly, lolly, lolly. Sucking on my lolly. Lolly, lolly. Disgustingly good. I know. It's my favorite. I'm just back from working out, and this brand that I found at Saint Sebastian have sent me some pieces, so let's try it on. What I do at the moment is anything that I'm sent, I try it on straight away and make sure it fits and everything before I put it in my wardrobe. I feel like this fits perfectly. I actually have a Summer Fridays brunch on Friday and it's like 30 degrees, so I think this will be perfect for that. Next up, obsessed with this little set. I already love sets because it basically just kind of is an outfit put together for you without having to think, and this style of top right now I really love. It's also really tight, which I think is quite flattering. The skirt is a skirt too, which I love. Same top in this really nice like sort of grey blue colour, which I love. I love this little set with brown and the blue is so cute. And Saint Sebastian, and I think all their stuff is so cute, so just thought I'd share. Hey, I'm filming 2 ads. Got all the stuff next to me, and yeah, a little hack of mine is I film on the Instagram camera. I think it makes you look better. Heading to acupuncture. This is the little keychain I got at the event yesterday. I think it's so cute. It's a little pink dog. And then got this little car freshener too, which smells insane, the cherry. Okay, so tomorrow Freya and I are shooting with the photographer Zidane. He basically reached out and said, I'm in LA, do you want to shoot? And Freya and I thought it'd be really cute to do like a fun Malibu day kind of situation. I threw together this little mood board and we're just chatting on the group chat, trying to get everything planned basically. And I'm really excited. I feel like at least it's something different to show you guys tomorrow. I get like anxious that I'm showing you guys the same things on repeat too much. So any feedback on what you like seeing, what's a bit more boring, anything would be great, because yeah, I realise I'm in my car a lot, but that is the reality of LA. I've already spoken about that too, but just when I'm editing, I'm like, oh my god, not another car video. But anyway, let me know what you guys think, and if there's other stuff you want to see, like what you don't really like seeing. Any feedback is great feedback, so that would be much appreciated. But I'm excited for that tomorrow, to just like take you guys to Malibu and show you some different kind of stuff. Tonight, me and Justin are in. I think I might cook bronzino, so maybe I'll do some cooking with you guys and really show you how I make that. So yeah. Justin has gone to meet his mum and P, because he was kind of like in the Malibu area anyway, so I'm just cooking dinner for myself tonight, and I really am craving a healthy like fish dinner, which is one of our go-tos. I've actually made it on my YouTube before, but I kind of just gave you like a recipe on the screen. So I thought we could make it together, because this is something that is our go-to like most weeks. So I'm just gonna start by cutting up some little Dutch potatoes. You can use any type of like small potato for this. I just like to use red potatoes, because I feel like the skin has some good nutrients in it. Just seasoning them, so I put some olive oil on a baking tray, and we can put them on there. And then I just like mix them around in the oil, because I really like them to be nice and crispy. And I'm just going to do some sea salt, like powder, and I bake these at about 425, so I'm just going to put these in the oven. It's like very basic cooking, but you get like a really nice meal out of it, so it's just like something that I find quite good for the soul too. Cut up a summer squash. This is actually one of my favourite vegetables. Slices, and then I just kind of cut up the slices into smaller pieces too. Then I'm just going to set that aside for a second, because they cook pretty quick. So what I do just to save with cleaning up is I'll just add them onto the tray that the potatoes are in. Put on some parchment paper. So I'm going to season up my fish with lemon juice. Loads of seeds came out. Some olive oil, of salt. Okay, once the fish is all seasoned up, I'm just going to put this in the oven. That was actually insanely good. I just ate an entire fish. I called Justin, showed him, he's very impressed with me deboning that fish. Like, God, I just never fail to surprise myself. He's also messaging me. This is the text I just got. Girl, let's like get married first and then like we can think about that. So now moving on to these. I'm trying to be a little healthier, and these are fruit, so that's my justification. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat these. I would really love to watch the Love Island final, but it's like not, it doesn't come out in the US till like days later. Like I'm on episodes way behind. Wait, sorry, I can't with this. Me just posing with the tree fruit. It's like really behind and I'm up to date, and there's none of the new episodes yet, so. Get them in the vlogs. Okay guys, Freya and I are just greasing ourselves up. We're just in Justin's mum's kitchen, covering ourselves in coconut oil. Tea. We just wrapped. It was so cute and he was such a sweetheart, which also makes things so much nicer. So yeah, it was great. Can't wait to see the images. This is Freya and I's lunch haul. We were like, yeah, we're getting healthy food.
And I come back with orange
chicken, fried rice, trying the
but it looks still good.
Pineapple coconut water, but wow, this looks insane.
Yeah.
We deserve it.
We do.
Good morning. Having an orange. Small catch up is needed. It's kind of funny that I'm sitting in the same spot that I was in last time, and also my apartment is so bright in the mornings. It's like a greenhouse, so it gets very bright in the morning. Kind of foreshadowing of me sitting here being like, we're moving to Malibu, kind of, but we're not. Basically, so we were going to rent has fallen through, and we're just like recovering and mourning that situation, which is really sad. It basically had everything we wanted, so it's a shame, but we're still looking. We're gonna just pay month to month in our place now, and yeah, it means we're not like completely tied down to being here. But yeah, kind of sad. We really thought it was happening, so that's the update with the house, just in case anyone was curious, because I did say maybe in my next vlog we might be in the new place, and yeah, we're not. This is why I just like don't even speak about stuff, because it's just like it's not happening now. So yeah, anyway, we are extremely lucky to live here, so everything is good, but yeah, just a little bit disappointed, and I'll keep you guys posted. We're still looking. I'm like, I can't see. Still looking, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I'm just gonna head to Pilates now, and I'll see you guys in there. I can walk to Aloe from my house in 2 minutes, which is honestly amazing, and I'm going to really miss that. My soul just becomes resurrected when I get tan. The tan on my skin just makes me want to cry with joy. Like, I feel me and I feel whole again. Can't really see my tan lines on camera, but Hello, happy Friday. Just leaving the Summer Fridays event, which was really cute. It was at Max and Helen's, which is a new diner in LA, and I actually went there on, when did I go? Saturday, and it was a party, and that was the night that I basically got a bit silly. So it was nice to see that place. I feel like this is gonna be really noisy for you guys, hang on. It was really nice to experience it not drunk, because I could eat the food and enjoy it, and it was yummy. And yeah, Summer Fridays are launching a new secret thing, which is really fun. But now I'm going to meet everyone. We've basically rented a cabana at Four Seasons for the day, because it's like 32 degrees today, which in Fahrenheit is about 83, I want to say, I could be wrong, 84, 83, so it's really nice, and we're gonna have a very cute little day. These sort of days make my soul very happy, like the sun, pool, friends, it's like my dream day, so yeah.
What's up, guys? This is Simon. I know that Eva has created this persona online that she's like cool.
Okay, wait guys, you've got to try these. Joe's the funniest person you'll ever meet in your life.
I love Eva.
I'm literally sitting right here.
We got a new bed, guys, which is so fun, but it's really high up, like so high off the ground. And also I want to change our sheets to white, because the blue is just like not doing it for me anymore. I could only include a little bit of footage from yesterday, because me drunk is just a painful sight for anyone to see. But happy Saturday. We've got everyone coming over today. We've got Penelope, we've got Freya, we've got Joe, we've got Simon, we've got Albie, we've got everyone, all our friends, and then shit, I just like fired an emergency alarm on my phone. Anyway, Joe is coming now, and we're gonna lay out, and then everyone's coming later on to have a barbecue. So I'm gonna vlog today for you guys, and then I'm gonna get this vlog up tomorrow on Sunday. So actually have a really fun day tomorrow too. We're going to like Montecito and Soho Malibu in the morning, and tomorrow's kind of fun too, but I think I'm just gonna wrap the vlog up after today, because I thought you guys might want to see Penelope. So yeah, if you're still here, hi. Hiya.
Hi guys. Eva's hosting a barbecue today, and
So I'm hosting a barbecue and no one's here.
the guest list is
Us.
her and I.
And Justin.
Come, just let us know and we'll drop the pin.
Everybody knows where I live at this point, so come by. Let's stalk some people.
Bring some food for the Barbie.
See where Frida Kahlo is. Frida, still at home. Simon's supposed to be in 5 minutes. Penelope, no one knows. So yeah, that's our update pretty much. But love Joe's top. Peace. You guys look cute. Yeah. You can see yourself. Do you want to tell them how I speak? What do I say? You being shy. This is Justin's sister.
Hello.
Unlike my sister. I'm having a beer, we're vibing, and she's Justin's twin.